Let me read the stats on the Hakonechloa Maca Areola, which is the one I'm removing from over there. This one also takes partial to full shade, grows 8 to 12 feet tall and about 12 to 16 wide. Zones 5 through 8 and prefers well-drained soil. So this one is actually shorter than the one I'm planting right now, which is 18 high and 24 wide. Let us divide it. This Hakonechloa is Lime Zest, and this one grows 18 inches tall and 24 inches wide, and it grows in zones 4 through 9. I am replacing the areola with this one because I think the white variegation pops better in this location, because this is like a most shaded flower bed. Sorry, but I'm taking out some of the I think it would be better if I just planted the whole plant in there, but I'm trying to save some money. So I decided that I needed to divide it in two and then plant one here and one next to the fountain. I know it looks a little puny and maybe not ideal, but I know by next year it's gonna look better and feeling more. Yeah, I like it better already. I think it's a better color for this flower bed. It gives the light that was needed. So I'm liking it. And the other ones are here. And let's see what we do with them.